keep throttle.
Don't lose throttle on them downwind turn.
His prop shaft's bent.
Oh, that's smooth.
Yeah. Whenever you're ready. Full back. Goose it. Goose it. There you're up. Hang on. Oh! Hey, I don't think you broke nothing. This Super Cub's tough. He's up. Get it up higher before you want to. Make sure you got full power almost. You almost need it. Holy shit. There you go, Pat. Sorry. Taking off into the sunset. Don't go into the sun. Super Cub. Looking good. Turn around, right into the wind, and then slow down, pull back. Don't let go of the sticks, Pat. You gotta try to land it. Nice.
Beautiful.
Perfect. That plane is tough as nails. He crashed that thing 3 times already, and look at that thing just float.
Right there.
Good thing I told him to buy that one. It doesn't like to turn downwind though. Yeah, I don't have that.
That's nice.
Look at that. Oh, yeah, keep power, power. The throttle's not shut down. Pat, cut the throttle.
Got it.
You can't.
I can't.